Today, I'm making a fancy brunch using just Greek yogurt, bread, and eggs. It's creamy, a little spicy, super decadent, and the best part? I'm going to walk you through my secret to the perfect poached egg so you never have to deal with a messy pot situation again. First, I'm making the croutons. In a pan, add some butter and let it melt gently. Once the butter is melted, add the diced bread into the pan. Toss everything together so the bread gets nicely coated in that butter. Keep mixing until the outside becomes golden, crispy, and slightly hardened. Next, we're making the body of the dish. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt to a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add some lemon juice for brightness. Now zest the lemon and add that in too. The zest gives it such a fresh flavor, so don't skip it. Add chopped dill. Season with salt and pepper. Then mix everything thoroughly until it's smooth, creamy, and well combined. Now, here comes the poached egg part. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to a saucepan of water. While the water is coming to a boil, crack your egg into a small strainer, ramekin, or spoon, and get it ready. Using a wooden stick or spoon, stir the water quickly in a circular motion to create a vortex, basically a little whirlpool in the center. Then gently slide the egg into the middle of the whirlpool. Let the egg cook for about 3 minutes until the egg white is set, but the yolk is still beautifully runny. And that's it. It's really not hard at all. Carefully lift the egg out with a slotted spoon. I'm repeating the same process with 3 more eggs. And one important thing, make sure there's no extra water on the eggs. While those eggs drain, let's make the star of the show. Now, back to the pan. Add 1 cup of unsalted butter. Then add 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper and a little bit of paprika powder. Let everything melt together and bubble gently. Once it starts to boil, turn off the heat. This spicy butter is rich, fragrant, and it gives the dish that beautiful color on top. Very main character energy. Now it's time to plate spoon the Greek yogurt mixture onto the plate and spread it out evenly. Pour the spicy butter over the top of the Greek yogurt mixture. Then place the poached eggs on top. Add the crispy croutons. And now, look at these runny eggs. So good. This is brunch perfection. The creamy yogurt, spicy butter, soft egg yolk, and crunchy croutons all together. I would make this any weekend when I want something easy that still feels special. If you want more gourmet recipe ideas, hit subscribe.